All right, before we wrap up, a quick check of the special reports that we have for you. The Bengal Global Business Summit in Kolkata saw major investment announcements from top corporations, underscoring West Bengal's economic growth. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee highlighted the state's GDP growth, while industrials such as Mukesh Ambani and Sajjan Jindal pledged substantial investments. These commitments aim to enhance infrastructure, energy and AI in the state. Talking about special report, let's also tell you what's happening in Indore, because a new QR code-based system has been launched in Indore to assist hearing and speech-impaired individuals in communicating with government officials. The system connects users to interpreters who convey their messages using sign language. The initiative, which began at the Social Justice Department, will be extended to other public services as well. Take a look at both those reports.
The Bengal Global Business Summit, a two-day investment promotion event of West Bengal government, started in Kolkata on Wednesday with major investment announcements from top corporations. Speaking at the event, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reaffirmed her government's commitment to industrial growth and highlighted the state's business-friendly environment and robust infrastructure.
Bengal is one of the largest economies in the country. Our GDP is expected to reach rupees 19 lakh crore in this financial year 24 and 25. Our state GDP has grown at a faster pace than the national average in 24-25.
The two-day summit has participation of over 200 delegates from 40 countries, including prominent domestic industrialists.
Reliance's commitment to Bengal's all-around development remains unwavering. In 2016, when I first attended this summit, Reliance's investment stood below 2,000 crores. Today, in less than a decade, our investments in Bengal have increased 20 times, and we are invested over 50,000 crores of rupees. Mamta Didi, we shall double this investment by the end of this decade. More importantly, our investments have created over 1 lakh direct jobs and spurred significant economic growth in West Bengal.
JSW Group announced an investment of 16,000 crore rupees to develop a 1600 megawatt power project at Shalboni in West Bengal.
As we stand here today, we plan to invest into 2 into 800 megawatt power plant in Shalboni with an investment of 16,000 crore rupees. This project is a significant step towards meeting Bengal's growing energy needs, ensuring stable and sustainable power supply to fuel industries, businesses and homes. Our investment is not just about generating power, it is about empowering Bengal's future. And we are fully prepared to scale up further. Whenever the state requires additional power, we will be ready to invest another 16,000 crores to double the capacity to 3,200 megawatts.
The RP Sanjeev Goenka Group announced an investment of 10,000 crore rupees in West Bengal over the next few years. The investment will be focused on 3 key sectors: energy, healthcare and education.
In addition to the 40,000 crores that we have invested in the state, we have another 10,000 crores in the pipeline under implementation in the fields of energy, healthcare and education.
ITC Limited announced the opening of a global center of excellence for artificial intelligence in the New Town area of Kolkata. This is the 8th edition of the Bengal Global Business Summit. According to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, 12 lakh crore of investments committed in the previous Bengal Global Business Summits are in different stages of operationalization.